Apple is now fighting the UK over its demand for backdoor access to iCloud accounts. More on that coming up, but first, Anker's latest sale has brought prices down on a number of power banks and wireless charging gear. One of the best discounts of the bunch is 35% off the Anker 621 magnetic power bank, bringing it down to $26. The discount applies to all color options too, so you can choose the one that best matches your personality. You can pick this one up either at Amazon or from Anker Direct. This model is MagSafe compatible, meaning it'll attach magnetically to an iPhone 12 and above and charge your phone wirelessly. However, if you plug a cable into the Anker 621's USB-C port, you can top up your phone's battery a little faster at a rate of 12 watts versus 7.5 watts for wireless charging. The power bank has a capacity of 5,000 milliamp hours, which Anker says is enough to charge an iPhone 15 to 85% of its capacity from zero and an iPhone 14 to 80%. Find the latest gadget news, reviews, price drops, and more right now at Engadget.com. Apple has issued a legal challenge against the British government over a demand to create a backdoor for encrypted iCloud accounts, as reported by Financial Times. The company has filed a complaint in the hopes to reverse the order. The iPhone maker made its appeal to the Investigatory Powers of Tribunal, IPT, which is an independent judicial body. This comes after a leak revealed the order from the UK government, which tasked Apple with building the aforementioned backdoor for iCloud encrypted backups. This was an attempt by the government to try to force the company to make data available to law enforcement. Apple didn't acquiesce. Instead, the iPhone maker announced that it would end national access to the strongly encrypted version of iCloud storage, also known as Advanced Data Protection. The 2016 Investigatory Powers Act is what allows UK authorities to demand access to encrypted accounts in this way, but it's believed that this is the first time it has faced a legal challenge. The IPT has accepted Apple's case and will consider whether the UK's demands were lawful. The case could be heard as soon as this month. It remains unclear if the hearing will be open to the public, as the UK government is likely to argue that the case should be restricted on the grounds of national security. Apple hasn't commented on its legal action against the UK government, merely pointing to a statement it made last month. This statement read, in part, that we have never built a backdoor or master key to any of our products or services, and we never will. UK Security Minister Dan Jarvis has defended the demand for access to encrypted accounts on a case-by-case basis, saying that the Investigatory Powers Act contains robust safeguards and independent oversight to protect privacy and ensure that data is obtained only on an exceptional basis and only when it is necessary and proportionate to do so. The original request would have allowed UK law enforcement access to an encrypted iCloud account after obtaining a warrant that was approved by a judge. It's worth noting that not even Apple has access to this data. Thanks for listening to the show. Make sure to rate, review, and subscribe on Apple Podcasts. Today's show featured journalism by Engadget contributor Lawrence Ponk and was produced by Spoken Layer. I'm Imran Sheikh, and as always, we'll talk more tomorrow.
Spoken Layer.